What's going on, guys? Today I will be showing you how you can make money watching YouTube videos. This is a platform called mybitcointube.com. As you can see over here, I have paid videos. I have 10 paid videos, $2.40 each videos. 1 2 3 6 9 and 10. And I also have super videos. If you are a premium member, you get super videos every day. So these are the super videos that I can watch and make money watching YouTube videos. And the thing is, you only have to watch each video for at least 20 seconds. So let's watch one of it. Let's see the first one. Watch this video. I'm just going to click on watch this video. See, it says watch paid video. Watch below video for at least 20 seconds, and after that you will receive $2.40. This is every day. Just click on play. That's it. Let it play for at least 20 seconds. Seven, 19, 20. See, 20. Boom. Success. Click here to watch the new paid video. So all you gotta do is click on this one, and it will take you back to the list where you can watch the rest of the videos. See, I have 9 left right now. So you see, today $2.97, because the other 50 came from the super videos. So my account balance right now is 65. I've withdrawn 104 out of this platform. So let's watch another one. 65 is my account balance right now. Let's watch this one. $16, $17, $18, $19, $20. Boom. Success. See? Click on that. Success. See, it went up to 60. It went up to 68. Let's watch another one. Click on play. Boom. Let it play for at least 20 seconds. $19.20. Boom. There you go. Success. See right there, 68. I'll just finish watching this one. Watch my balance go up 70. See that? You do this every day. It may not be much, but you can save this up and invest into other businesses that you have. So right now I'm currently on group number 8, where I earn $24 a day from watching those 10 videos, and it will be more than $24 because you have these super videos that you can watch. See, 26 1 3 no, 26 10 3 1 5 16 1 6 8 7 1. And if you want to see the groups, go to earnings. So I'm at group 8 right now, $24 a day. Group 9, 48. Group 10, 96. And what you earn in a day, it fluctuates. In 96 previous day, 96. See, group 10, 121. They be making 129. 96. 141. Wow, look at that. 96. So there you go, guys. If you're interested in making money just from watching YouTube videos, there will be a link below. Sign up for free, get a free account, and my recommendation is once you get in, let me go to dashboard. Get the go and get the premium membership, this one right here, or you can buy ad packs. That way you can rank up quickly and make more money. So there you go, guys. I will finish watching these paid videos and super videos and collect my money for today. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and God bless you. Bye bye.